Hey guys, Aaron Williams here with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today I have the pleasure of walking you through this brand new GS20 Super Air Nautique. As you can see here, we do have it in our Admiral Blue with the gold accenting and Mystic White bottom. We did do the two-tone paint color up here as well, bringing that Admiral Blue and Mystic White up. You can see we are equipped here with our Nautique strapless board racks. And so let's pop inside so I can show you all the other features. All right, so starting back here at the transom on the GS20. As you can see, we are back here sitting in the aft loungers. Both of them are angled in, so while you're sitting back here, you can enjoy a conversation. You're not looking straight ahead or looking outward, and you're angled into each other with the cup holders. And again, we have our two-step into the cockpit area. All covered in SeaDek, so you're not stepping on any upholstery as you're getting in and out of the boat. And then under each side, we have tons of storage for life jackets, boards, ropes, etc. Supplemental ballast if you choose to have it, but underneath both sides, tons of storage. Now, this being a GS20, the sole goal of this is to be a do-it-all boat. So wakeboarding, wake surfing, and your water skiing. So right here, we do have a ski tow pylon. And there we are. But so for tubing or for water skiing, slalom skiing, that's going to be your main tow point. And then walking in, up here, this is going to be your tow point for wakeboarding, wake surfing, and your Nautique awareness cam is up there as well. You can see we do have the JL Tower speakers up here. And then stepping into the boat, we have a great amount of seating for a 20-footer. Big U-shaped seating area in the back here, and storage underneath all the seats. Again, so back here, just more storage. Underneath here, you do have your panel for your battery switch, and then your battery charger and battery bank back here. Now, this does have the LED lighting package, so all your cup holders light up. As you can see, the back of the Nautique logo, that's lit up. Really just kind of elevates the look of the boat a lot. Over here on this side, we have our glove box. Now that does have a wireless phone charger. You do have your plugs for your music and more power. And then we do have a JL audio control unit here. Passenger heat seater, that's your on and off switch right there. We do have a seat heater for the driver as well. And just like you'll find in all the other Nautiques out there, you have a great helm position. Everything's easily accessible. Your controls for your Nautique system are right here. And again, you can control everything through there. It is also touchscreen as well, making really easy access, and everything's just really accessible to your right hand. Very comfortable. Great seating design. You can throw your leg over, check on your riders, talk to your crew. And the color scheme we went with on this one, with that Admiral Blue on the outside, and these nice dark and light brown tones inside, just really make it look very elegant, I think. Now, coming forward, we do have the bow filler cushion, but you do have a great bow seating area. It's nice and deep, so you feel very secure. Again, SeaDek all over the outside, so when you're getting on and off the boat, you're not stepping on upholstery or just raw fiberglass and gel coat. This boat does have an optional slider piece that drops down into here, so when you do close the window off on some of those colder days, you're blocking a lot of that wind, making your time out on the water a little bit more enjoyable and extending your day. So that has been our walkthrough here on the Nautique GS20. If you guys want to get any more information or see this boat in person, just come on down to the store in Clearwater and we'll be walking you through it. Thank you.